Today, we are living in a digital era kung saan most of the things ay pwede na nating gawin with our mobile phone. Paying our bills, buying our food, online shopping, online dating, and many more. Pero maniniwala ka ba kapag sinabi ko sa iyo pwede na rin tayo magtanim ng tunay na puno just by using our phone? Last year, I made a video about Ecosha kung saan you can help fund tree planting activities just by searching the web. But this video is not about Ecosha, this is about an app na I'm sure most of you guys ay meron na. What is up guys? Welcome to INOH, and in this video, ipapakita ko po sa inyo how to plant real-life trees by using Gforest ng Gcash. The Philippines has the fourth most threatened forest in the world. And according to recent studies, there are about 50,000 trees being lost in the Philippines due to deforestation, illegal logging, illegal mining, and many factors affecting it. After reading these facts, it makes you think, how can we at least help? We all have the same problem, we don't know how and where to start. Good thing there are companies like Ecosha and Gcash. Despite of our busy schedule, they provide us an opportunity to help our environment by planting trees and reforest our forest land. So what is Gforest nga ba? Gforest is a sustainable feature inside the Gcash app kung saan you'll be able to collect green energy points, and once you've collected enough, it can later be converted into real-life trees. Take note po converted into real-life trees. There are misconceptions po kasi pagdating sa Gforest. Akala nung iba, they have to buy trees or they have to donate in order to help. No po, wala pong bentahan ng punong nagaganap dito sa Gforest. Well anyways, let me just show you na lang how the Gforest works para mas madali nating maintindihan. Now, if it's your first time to use Gforest, ganito po yung lalabas sa dashboard nyo. So, makikita po natin dito sa upper part yung partners in Gforest. And sabi dito, let's help rebuild the Philippines forest together. Pipindutin nyo lang po yung get started. Yan, start your forest saving mission by allowing third-party permission, add contact list to interact with your friends. So kapag first time yung magbukas ng Gforest, ayan, i-welcome kayo. Your tree grows, collect green energy, earn them by doing green activities. Tap the green energy to collect them. So wait, let's tap lang po. Tap. The green expires within 72 hours. Collect them before they disappear. Tap here to see real trees. Ayan. Basically, you just have to collect these green points. May mga numbers depending din sa activity na ginagawa nyo sa Gcash. Collect nyo lang yan na i-collect every day para hindi masayang. And tignan natin if we can plant trees na rin with the green points na mako-collect natin. Ayan, so meron tayong 8,900 green points. Magkano ba yung pinakamura? Wala pa tayong makukuha. Ayan mo na. So makikita rin natin dito yung live update ng mga taong gumagamit ng Gforest or yung nagjo-join. Right now, they are 12 million Filipinos using Gforest. Ngayon, ipapakita ko naman po sa inyo kung anong itsura kapag marami na kayong na-collect na green points. Switch tayo ng account. Yan, so nag-switch na ako doon sa pinaka Gcash na ginagamit ko. So una-una nyo mapapansin, nag-iba na yung background niya. And mapapansin nyo, malaki na rin yung virtual tree na itinanim natin. So collect lang ulit natin to. So later, magpa-plant tayo, pero check muna natin yung dashboard. Tumingin na natin sa forest log, April Sharon Root got 25 green points from you. Pwede ka rin ditong magnakaw. Ayun si Jillian, talagang tinirada tayo ng dami yan. Kaya po mahalaga na kinukuha nyo dapat yung green points nyo para hindi sayang, Though okay lang din naman kasi kapag nakuha nila yun, sila naman yung unang makakapag-plant. So win-win pa rin. Parang may mini competition lang nagaganap sa loob. Kita nyo dito yung friends. Pwede kayong mag-add ng friends, and katulad nung ginawa sa atin, tayo naman nakukuha ng green points. Dito tayo kay Maria Grace. Kuhanan natin yan. Yan. Hindi lahat nakukuha, parang small percentage lang. Kay Mark naman, kuha tayo kay Mark. Ito madami. Get lang natin yan. Sayang naman kasi kung hindi nila nako-collect, at least kayo na lang yung mag-collect, kayo yung makapagtanim agad ng puno using the Gforest. Kung mapansin nyo yung puno nyo dito, payat kasi onti pa lang din yung green points na nakukuha niya. Yung iba sa susunod na lang. So ngayon, let's try to plant trees. So makikita natin, meron na tayong 31,350 G points. Plant na tayo. Tap natin yung plant. Ngayon, ang gusto kong i-plant, bakaw, babae. Laki kasing tulong talaga ng mangroves. Hindi lang sa environment, but for the community around dun sa mga mangrove areas. Naging shelter siya sa mga small marine aquatic animals and other crustaceans. Nakatulong siya sa buhayan din ng mga farmers malapit dun. Top natin yan. Bakaw, babae. It requires 19,000 green points. Itatanim sa Canyon Straits, sa Visayas to. And you can, read the descriptions na lang. Yan. So, I want to plant this right now. Plant na natin. You're about to plant a bakaw babae tree. So, let's go. Plant na natin yan. So, once you plant, bibigyan ka nila ng certificate. Congratulations on planting a tree. This certificate serves proof that we will be planting a tree on your behalf. Bawat puno na tinatanim, nagkakaroon sila ng record dun, and then yun yung itatanim nila. So, got it. Pansin natin, meron ditong red dot natin. You've earned a badge. So dati nakapagtanim na ako sa Luyang Watershed, yung Molave, noong September 29, 2021. So ito pa yung mga ibang mga badge, ibig sabihin hindi ko pa sila natatanim. Then may mga special badge din. For example, itong Hope in a Coconut, check natin. Support the environment and our farmers by planting at least 3 coconut trees in Toxarzen. So once na makapag-plant ako ng 3 coconut, magiging available na siya. Wala lang, kulit lang makakita ng mga achievement, yung mga badge, kasi para nakakadagdag siya sa aliw factor nung Gforest, which is very good, no? Nakakatuwang gamitin. Alin pa ba? Check natin to. Itong mapa naman na ito, may kita natin dito kung saan yung mga locations na nagtatanim sila. Meron sa Luzon, sa Visayas, and sa Mindanao. Ito naman yung how does it work. Siguro let's just create another video for this para hindi masyadong mahaba. Okay. And then ito naman yung share if you wanna share it with your friends. Ayan, so Gforest by Gcash, ito po yung itsura niya. Since Gforest launched in 2019, more than 12 million users have joined the host. And to tell you honestly, noong 2019, the reason why I use the Gcash app is because of this sustainability feature nila, yung Gforest. So, isa ako doon sa mga nakonbinse na gumamit ng e-wallet kasi merong ganitong feature. Kaya, very clever move dyan ng Gcash. 2 years naman po after the launch ng Gforest, noong December 19, 2021, a total of 1,060,000 trees have been planted virtually. And a million of that has been converted into real-life trees planted in various locations nationwide. Good job talaga, Gcash. Anyway guys, hindi nga sponsored to ng Gcash. I just really want to share yung Gforest sa inyo. For our next video, let's dive deeper sa Gforest. Alamin natin kung sino yung mga partners nila, how they plant trees, kung saan nila pinaplant yung mga trees, at identify kung ano yung mga punong itinatanim din nila. And ayun po, Gforest by Gcash. If this video motivates you to become more environmentally conscious, that is already a win for our Mother Earth. Now, if you want to join the cause, it's not yet too late. You can share this video to your family, to your friends, to your co-workers, and together, let's reforest our forest land and plant trees using Gforest. Hanggang dito lang po muna. Maraming salamat po sa panonood and see you on my next video.